They say you never know what you have until you lose it. But in this case, I didn't know what I was losing until I have him. For me, he is the best dentist that I could ever have. I moved here 13 years ago, and I was looking for a dentist. I just searched it in the internet, and I got a very bad one. I didn't really like it. I swear after I came out that I will not go back again to that dentist. I asked a friend of mine if he has a dentist here, and he said, yeah, I have a good one. I can recommend it to you. So I came here that way because of the referral of my friend. And I had been coming here since 13 years ago, basically. They treat me with a lot of respect. And that was one of the things that bothered me a lot on the previous dentist, mistreated me. I like to understand what the treatment is about, why they're going to do it, what options do I have. I want to be able to ask questions. And when I ask questions in the other office, the person didn't like it. That's not my kind of dentist. Greg is on the opposite. He wants you to feel comfortable. He becomes like a friend to you more than a dentist. He is working with you to make your dental health better. You can tell when he finds something, he worries, he tries to work with you. He tries to get the best treatment, the treatment that is gonna make you feel more comfortable. And that's one of the things that I appreciate so much. The newest technology is here. That makes you feel like this person is on top of his game. He is up to date in everything. So that translates into me that he is going to give me the best care that is available any place in the world. That's the kind of dentist you want to have. He scanned me with a 3D tool and get the way the tooth was, and then created a three-dimensional image of the filling, send it, computerized machine that created exactly the plug that needs to go there. That was really impressive. And I said, oh my goodness, this is the kind of doctor that I want to have. Being here and being comfortable with my appearance actually improve that confidence that I can talk to. One time I remember he gave me a diagnosis, and I didn't like that diagnosis. I wanted a second opinion, and the opinion was exactly the same. I learned the hard way that he is always on top of his game. They're always calming. They are very attentive to my body language in case I have pain or in case of I'm feeling uncomfortable. They're always super friendly too. So I know I can count on them. The first one that visited the other doctor was my wife. And I keep telling her, you need to come to Greg's office. I mean, he is awesome. She needed a certain treatment, and she was not too convinced that that was the best approach. So I said, it's time to come to Greg's office. And then she said, I repent I didn't come sooner, right? And she had been coming here since. As a person, he's a very caring person. He's a family-oriented person. Always treat me with a lot of respect and make me feel confident that he is there for me. So I have one kid, and she had been going to a pediatrician. As soon as she grow up, she will come here with me too. I cannot think of anything else. It's great. Everybody that I speak with said he's great. I may have found somebody else, and I'm wondering what I would have put up with for over the years if I wouldn't have found Dr. Mansour.